Hey guys, it's Jovi and welcome back to my channel. So today is a very special day. Today I want to tell you about some new products that I have been using on my skin and my hair. They got me all in my feelings. Okay, y'all already know at the beauty school, we put a lot of effort into ourselves on the inside and on the out. Okay, so I want to give y'all some of my favorite new products in no particular order that I have been using on my hair and I have been using on my skin. Today I have nothing on my skin, so you can see where it's going. I have on a little bit of mascara and that is it. Okay, so everything that I'm showing you, most of the things I will try to link in the bottom, but FYI. So let's start with hair. Shall we? Yes. Y'all been watching me. I've gotten my hair redone. I have my thing on today, but y'all seen it. I have it in a pony. I have what you call, I guess, a versatile weave. Okay. So it's been going. But before I got my weave done, okay, I was feeling rather dry, especially with the one I had before that was very straight hair, very Caucasian of me. I didn't know no better. And it was a lot of flat ironing happening during that time, aka I have a little bit of breakage right here, right? Because this is where the part was. I had to do a lot of flat ironing and keeping this part straight. So after I took that weave out, I went and got me these freaking products. I did some research. First of all, I did some research, and there are different levels to these products. Let me say that they do have the drugstore brand. I think they're by L'Oreal. I'm not sure. This is along the lines of the Olaplex of the K18s. I have not tried K18. I one day when I can bring myself to be able to purchase that because it's a lot. Okay. But there are a lot of this is Redken's acidic bonding concentrate. I have 4 products from the line. Well, actually, I have 6. I have packets of the shampoo and conditioner. I didn't think to bring that out here. I'm going to eventually buy the shampoo and conditioner, but I have so basically I washed my hair with this. I use the treatment. I have the acidic bonding treatment, right? So I use that. Again, I'm going to try to link all the products down below. I use this on my hair. I was a little scared. Again, like I said, this part was having issues. Okay, I'm going to be real with y'all. My daughter took the weave out. She put a patch in my hair. Okay, don't tell her I told you, but she put a patch in I got a little patch in my hair. It's like right up here somewhere. I got a little patch in my hair. When she was trying to take the net off. Yeah. But anyway, and my hair was really dry. Okay. It was really, really dry. It was just the braid down was okay, but that was dry. But what I had for a leave out, it was really dry. It was like working on damage because again, I don't like to blow dry my hair a lot. One reason why I chose this hair right now, yes, it's currently straight, but it is kinky straight hair. And once I wet it or twist it up it will resemble my natural hair pattern when I'm stretched or maybe blow dried, but I don't have to keep flat ironing my hair. So that's one reason I chose this. But nonetheless, okay, let's get back to the products. I used the concentrate. I left it on for like 10 minutes because that's what they told me to do. Then I used this shampoo because I got some free packets. I used the shampoo. The shampoo was bomb. Let me say that. Okay, one, I don't use cheap shampoo. Okay, I'm not a suave. Okay, I'm not a teenager. Okay, I'm an adult. Okay, and I have adult issues with my hair. Okay, a little gray, a little situations. Okay, I cannot use the baby swabs and stuff. Okay, I cannot use the VO9, what it was, VO7, whatever. I cannot use it. Okay, so I already use good shampoo and conditioners. But when I tell you that the shampoo, and we only have to shampoo, they only say to shampoo once. I did not have to double shampoo or anything, which was crazy and which was so cleansing. And my hair was like basically detangled then. Okay. It was like feeling like I just put in a conditioner, but really, really clean. Right? If that makes sense. Okay, so I did not turn around and use their conditioner. I used their mask because a boo needed a treatment. I told you I had that on for a while. Okay. So I used their 5-minute mask. I believe I left it for like 5-10 minutes. Cool. Soon as I took that out, I knew it was a go. I don't think I've ever really felt my hair like that before. I knew it was a go. I knew that from now on, I'm about to use this every time I do my hair. When I washed that out, I knew it was a go. And like I said, I don't use cheap products. I knew it was a go. I felt the strength back in my hair, if that makes sense to you. I felt the strength. It was doing some things. It was doing some things. And I felt the strength just like, girl. And I was like, yeah. And now I'm making this video because I had to tell y'all about it. Okay. I got the leave-in because I need a cream leave-in. That spray don't really do anything for me. I can use a spray with a cream. So I got the cream leave-in. Banging. It just kept getting better and better. Okay. Then I've been using, okay, so I used that and I only used these 3 products I showed you, plus the shampoo when I did my wash. I'm gonna wash this weekend or maybe even Monday my hair, okay? So we can see, and I'll be using these products as well. But every day since I got my hair done, I have been using their newest item. Let me show you. Hold on. There we go. I've been using this every day because again, I have a leave out. So I've been using this for the first couple of days, first 2 or 3 days. I've just been using this. And again, I can feel the strength back in my hair. No issues. I have not, normally my hair gets really dry. I need to put moisturizer in it in my hair every day. Okay. That's just every day. I have to put moisturizer in my hair. It will get really dry and brittle, but I have not. Okay. I also have been using, y'all told me about this, the Doze. I recently purchased this because I'm like, okay, I need a balm. So I'm going to say for the last 2 days, I've been adding just like a little pinch of this, with some of the serum and on my peripheral of my hair. And when I tell you my hair is hearing, y'all seen it. Y'all seen me in my ponytail flip. Y'all seen me in my half up, half down. Y'all see me on the pullback. Yes, I have this on because I don't feel like, but y'all see me on the pullback. Y'all seen it. It was bomb. It was banging. It was everything. And I'm here for it. So yeah, that's my hair. Now let's get into my skin. Now Christmas just passed. Okay. Christmas just passed. And I got, I should have took a picture of it. If I think about it, I might insert a picture of it. I got this gift set that was a skincare gift set, one of the Macy's skincare gift sets from a male who, don't necessarily know, but trying to do some shit, let's just keep it from a male that and the shout out to the whatever counter lady that helped the male try to find some shit I might like. Okay. So it's Lancome. Now, I'm not gonna hold you. I've used Lancome before, but I have never really used Lancome because I'm young or whatever. I'm young or whatever, but we aging and whatever. So I guess when he must have told the lady my age or whatever, she gave him this as a good choice. And I'm not gonna hold you. I'm really enjoying these products. Okay. I'm not going to hold you. Mind you, it was a lot more stuff. It was also, I have 3 products here because these are the products I use a lot. It came with a lipstick, I believe, an eyelash oil, makeup remover, a skin wash, which let me go get it. Okay. I got it. It came with this skin wash. Again, I told you my skin can get really dry. For the most part, I have normal skin, but sometimes it can get really dry, especially in these colder months. Hello, focus. Here we go. So I got this. which again, I don't use cheap skincare products. Hair, I don't. My skin is very important to me. Okay, 44. We need to stay looking like this. Okay, this shit is banging. It's a cream wash. I hate gel washes. So gel washes do not. I hate them. I hate them with everything. Okay. This creme radiance, creme for real. Okay, creme for real. Now I have a lot of serums. Okay, I do have a lot of serums, and I go back and forth between them. Right. So since I got this product, I have been using this serum that I received in it. Oh, I've been using this, and I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy it. I'm looking radiant. I have not been using as much not my toner, my essence, right? And I think that this serum doesn't make it clear that I have not been using my essence, if that makes sense. If that makes sense to you. Hopefully it does. Well, you ladies, so you get what I'm saying. So this is the eye cream. I've been using this. I really like it. I have normally always used, well, not always, but for the last, I'm gonna say like 3 years. I have a bunch of them. I buy them by the stack load. I normally use biotin, but again, I got this and I decided let me try it, and I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Okay. Look my eyes. I'm not mad at it at all. Um, last but not least, well, I don't know if it's last. Man, this is the face cream. Now I have another face cream that I use as well. I'm not gonna go get it because I don't want to have to get up. Oh no, I brought it with me. La Roche-Posay. Yes, I use this. I go back and forth. I use this mostly in the daytime, and I use this at night. Okay, banging. What else? What else is in here? Oh yeah, and just so y'all want to know, recently I'm gonna say probably most of January, I have not been using foundation. Not on camera. Now I have been using I use foundation maybe like once this month. I've been using because my skin is banging, bitch. Not to my own horn or whatever, but because a skin be skinning. Let me shut up. I decided, and because I was on TikTok and scrolling, and I saw a lot of people coming for I Good Sis, and this is my black brand for the day. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna make sure and put the links to the black brand of the day, okay, of the week, of the month on here. I have another product from her, but I can't find it right now. It is, oh, here you go. So I bought these two products because I saw a lot of others trying to say that I Good Sis products weren't popping, okay? And then I saw a couple videos that were like, I Good Sis products is popping and the pigment be pigmented, okay? I initially went to buy some eyeshadow brand. It was like a brown shade for black girls, right? And it was sold out. And I kept looking back, and it was sold out for like 2 weeks. And then I said, you know what? Let me get some concealer. Y'all, I've literally only been using concealer. Let me show you. I got this. This is my shade, or, close enough. And I got this for like, whatever. This is, me be very clear, makeup, Playing in Makeup by Yolanda. Playing in Makeup by Yolanda. Again, concealer palette, and that's literally all I've been using on my face with a little bit of mascara. That's it. For the most part, that's it. I think like twice 1 week I put on blush on top of it, but I've been using no foundation on my skin and not even a lot of concealer. Literally probably like under my eyes and like right here, under my eyes and like right here, and like that's it. So yeah, that's what I've been using. Okay, that my hair and my skin has been banging, and I'm so excited about it. You know, really working towards this flawless skin, flawless hair, you know, being putting effort and attention into ourselves, right? So, yeah, those are my favorite products. I really love them. Um and I'm going to try to push as many links into these products down below. All right? And I'm done. And as always, please don't forget to live your life like it's golden, because there's no other way to live it.